In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert Adobe Acrobat document to PDF. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open Adobe Acrobat and you want to go to Tools up top left, and the first one under Create and Edit should be Create PDF. So you can just click on that, and then from here you can basically convert any document to a PDF. You could use a scanner, multiple files, etc., or just create a blank page and create a PDF from this. So I'm going to go to Single File, I'm going to select a file over here, and I'm just going to pick a Word document I have over here, and I'm going to click on Open. Now when you do this over here, it's going to open. You can then just click on Create, and then this is going to basically convert that document into a PDF for you, okay? So just like, of course, whichever document you have in here, you can then create a PDF out of it. So as you can see down here, it's reading Adobe PDF at the bottom right, and there we go. I have like a sample survey over here, which I created for one of my other tutorials, and this is now a PDF. I can go and click on this button top left to actually save the file, and as you can see, this file is a PDF, so I can save it as a PDF. I can save it whatever I want, like on my computer over here. I'm gonna go to downloads, and you can see I can save this as a PDF like that. I also have this file open over here. You can just go to file top left, and you can basically do save as or like save as other, and you have different PDF options over here as well. But that's essentially how you convert an Adobe Acrobat document to a PDF. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.